to a blustery, cold day on trail. Tarp did a great job keeping me dry last night. And we are out just before 7. Gonna be doing our first 20+ miler today. Not sure where we're gonna stop exactly. I know that we were targeting like 21 and change, but depending on how quickly we get there, we might push further. It's been pretty quick going so far on this trail, and I wouldn't mind getting a little bit further than the plan. Not that there really is a strict plan, but like it'll help us get to Idlewild earlier on the day that we plan on getting there. And so if we're only going to spend one night, it means more time for activities. So the rest of the camp is basically sleep still. We're on the trail. Juice and Maestro are ahead of us, and hopefully the rain doesn't get too bad the rest of the day. It should clear up by tonight, and then we'll have clear skies and warming temperatures for the next week or so, hopefully. I didn't think it rained in South California. Almost missed this view. Look at that. One of my favorite times on trail is right after it rains, because you get these patches of clouds and sunlight. They just battle each other, and it's so beautiful. Windy day today. Should stay windy for a little while. What'd you do? Oh, you're putting your phone in the bag.
You're gonna be on the ground again.
Alright, just made it to Eagle Rock, sacred place here for the first peoples of the area, and hasn't stopped raining. But we are hoping that it will at some point, and so we're just going to keep biking to stay warm. Just got to camp pretty early in the afternoon, but we are beat. It finally stopped raining at like, what, 2 o'clock? And we just don't want to go any further. See you guys tomorrow.